Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Landbot not working in 2026. If your chatbot isn't loading, responding, or functioning correctly, this guide will help you troubleshoot the problem step by step. First, check your internet connection and make sure it's stable before making any changes. Next, refresh the Landbot dashboard or restart your web browser to clear temporary glitches. Now make sure you're signed in to the correct Landbot account that contains your chatbot. Next, verify that your chatbot has been saved and published after your latest edits. Now use the preview mode to check whether the chatbot works correctly inside the Landbot builder. Next, if your chatbot is embedded on a website, confirm that the embed code has been installed correctly and hasn't been modified. Now clear your browser's cache and cookies, then reload the page to remove any corrupted data. Next, disable browser extensions such as ad blockers or script blockers that might interfere with Landbot. Now try opening Landbot in a different browser or an incognito window to see if the issue is browser-related. Finally, if the problem continues, reconnect any integrations you're using and check if Landbot is experiencing a temporary service outage before trying again. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to fix Landbot not working issues. Your chatbot should now load properly and work as expected. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.